Hello, it's Mary Precious on Bookworth TV. Welcome to this amazing lesson on using articles a, an, and the. Lesson 2. In our last lesson, we discussed that indefinite articles a and an are used before singular nouns and might mean one. For example, I have a daughter. I have one daughter. Eat an apple every day. Eat one apple every day. In this lesson, we shall have a look at more specific rules in the use of the indefinite articles a and an, as well as the definite article the. There will also be exercises for you to test your understanding of the topic. Endeavor to join me to the end to get the best of this lesson. Let's get started. Basically, articles a and an do not refer to any specific object. That is why they are indefinite. When you say a bag is missing, for instance, you are not referring to any specific bag that belongs to somebody. You are talking about it in general terms. On this slide, we have using indefinite article a. Specifically, article a is used before words, whether nouns or adjectives, that start with consonant sounds. Can you tell how many consonants there are in the English alphabet? 21 consonants. The remaining 5 listed below are vowels: A, E, I, O, U. Remember that A will come before any word that begins with a consonant sound. Let's see examples on the next page. Article A before words that start with consonant sounds. A book, book. Initial sound is B. A house, house. Initial sound is a smart girl, smart. Initial sound is S. A union, union. Initial sound is Y. Are you surprised that the union in example 4 takes A? Remember that A comes before a consonant sound. The sound of letter U in union is not A, it is Y, which is a consonant. We consider mainly the sound of the letter and not the letter itself. Let's see more examples of words that begin with vowel letters but actually have a consonant sound. Consider these words: university, unity, you, European. Even though these words begin with U and E respectively, the first sound in all of them is the consonant Y. Hence, they are expected to take article A. Here we have using indefinite article an. Article an is used before words that begin with vowels. Do you remember the 5 vowels in the alphabet we listed earlier? Here they are again: A, E, I, O, U. See the examples on the next page. Article an before words that start with vowels. An ant. Ant. Initial sound is A. An orange. Initial sound is O. An umbrella. Initial sound is A. An honest man. Honest. The initial sound is O. You've seen that even though umbrella begins with letter U, it has a different sound from the letter U in units. In umbrella, sound of U is a vowel and so takes article an. You've also seen that though the H in house is sounded, the one in honest is silent. Because it is silent, the next sound, which is a vowel, becomes the initial sound. All the words with silent initial H are on the next page. Here we have other examples of words with silent initial H. A, hour, honor, honest, honorary. All these words we take an because the initial H is silent. We shall examine the definite article th next. Definite article th. Unlike article a and an, the article th is used with a particular noun that is usually known or earlier mentioned. It is used with both singular and plural nouns. Let's see examples. Examples. Did you say Sarah took the pen? Adam is the one who helped me. The men are very tall. The trees in that forest are big. Next is the activity slide. Endeavor to attempt the exercises. Activity. On the next slides, complete each sentence with either a, an, or the. One. Maddie has dash uncle who works in a bank. What do you think should be the answer? A or an? The answer is an. Maddie has an uncle who works in a bank. 2. The people won the struggle because they fought with dash united force. The answer is A. The people won the struggle because they fought with a united force. Can you explain why it is A and not an? It is because united begins with a consonant sound Y. United. 3. Have you found that shirt you were looking for? Answer. Have you found the shirt you were looking for? Four. Are you dash heir to any throne? Are you dash heir to any throne? Answer. Are you an heir to any throne? Why an and not a? It is because the initial letter H is silent. 5. Show me dash girls who pranked you. Show me dash girls who pranked you. Answer. Show me the girls who pranked you. Six. It is dash honor having you around. Answer. It is an honor having you around. Seven. Mary works in dash herbal shop. Mary works in dash herbal shop. The answer is A. Mary works in a herbal shop. 8. That is a picture of dash you. That is a picture of dash you. The answer is A. That is a picture of a you. 9. That car belongs to dash principal. That car belongs to dash principal. Answer. That car belongs to the principal. 10. Your team has dash edge over their opponents. Your team has dash edge over their opponents. Answer. Your team has an edge over their opponents. Performing the exercise. You may write a score and your opinions about this video in the comments. Thanks for joining me to the end. Keep viewing. Do like, share, and subscribe to receive more videos on English.